In this series, But What About AirCrete, I'm going to be answering your most frequently asked and often overlooked questions. We've been living and building and teaching AirCrete for years now, and with the state of the world and the economy and the uncertain times, there's never been a better time for you to get your own home affordably built that's going to keep you comfortable. So rather than do what most people do and talk out of our butt, what is AirCrete made out of? It's quite literally just one bag of Portland cement, 5 gallons of water to make a slurry, and another 5 gallons of water with soap in it so that it can be aerated into a foam to put the air bubbles into the cement mixture. It's an insulating material that is good enough to build a home with.